This is the short channel that I started 4 days ago, and the results I got was absolutely insane, and I want you to do the same. So today I'm gonna show you my exact workflow without gatekeeping anything so that you can start this today. It's just been a few hours since I uploaded my second video, and it has gained 1,300 views so far. This method is working, so don't skip anything. Selecting the niche. After doing some research, I found this viral niche, which actually has a future on YouTube. And just filtering by popularity, you can see that these videos are getting millions of views. But there was one problem. There were a lot of new channels popping up everywhere and doing the same thing. And they were all covering the same topics. So I don't think entering this facts niche would be a good idea. So what I did was, I took this viral 3D animation style and combined it with low competitive prehistoric niche. Channels like Extinct Zoo are getting millions of views, but their animation style is different. So my plan is to dominate this niche with 3D animation short videos. And I want to make high quality videos like Zach D films. But the issue is, I don't know how to animate, and I don't want to spend thousands of dollars on animators. That's why I decided to use AI for this process. Starting the channel. I had a channel that I created last year. To avoid shadow ban, I used this channel instead of creating a new one. So I decided to change its name to Primodiacs, and the profile picture and banner image that you are seeing are generated using AI. I didn't spend hours on this process. It took me like 10 minutes to set this up. However, there are some crucial things we need to do before we start to upload. The first one is adding channel tags. These are basically keywords relevant to my niche. I got these keywords from ChatGPT, so that's not a big deal. Then I went to the intermediate features and verified my phone number. Make sure to do these things when you create your channel. Now, let's start what you all been waiting for, video creation. Okay, I didn't want to make some mid-level video. I wanted to be the best. So that's why I decided to study the best two channels under these niches, Zach D Films and Extinct Zoo. After studying these channels, I understood some valuable information. Every viral video has the same structure. If you watch just 2 or 3 videos, you wouldn't notice it. But if you watch enough, you will slowly understand what makes these videos go viral. Zach D's video starts with a hook, or I would rather say a shocking statement or question. Something like, "This is the most dangerous animal ever," or "You've been breathing wrong your entire life." The rule here is, no intro, no greeting, no context. Just shock. This happens around the first 5 seconds. Then, in the next 25 seconds, he explained that shocking statement or question in a very simple manner. The goal here is to deliver fast, with cool 3D animations. Then, he finishes the video with a twist. The goal here is to leave the viewer stunned. This is an already working structure. This is the most viral video on his channel. And this comment says, "Why is this animation kinda oddly satisfying?" Which means people love this animation style. And this comment says, "I like how straight to the point this video was." This is the main reason why these videos are getting millions of views. That's why I have to apply this to my channel as well. So now we know how to make our video script. But the problem is we still don't have a video idea. So I went to Extinct Zoo channel and watched most viral videos on this. And it helped me to understand which sort of topics are getting more views. So I went to ChatGPT and inserted all the viral topics into it and asked it to generate 20 short video ideas based on the given viral topics. And here are the results I got. Now, it's time to apply the structure we learned earlier to these topics and create the video script. To make everything easier, I created a detailed structure that I can use as a prompt, so that I can easily generate a script using ChatGPT with this prompt. But hear me out, I'm not a fan of 100% AI-generated scripts. Therefore, I'm gonna change at least 70% of it after it's generated. The reason is I want these videos to be authentic. And the YouTube algorithm doesn't like 100% AI-generated videos. Recently, they have been demonetizing a lot of AI video channels, and I don't want to take chances. That's why I'm going to convert this script into my own words. Now, it's time to make the voiceovers. You already know what I'm going to use. It's 11 Labs. For this video, we need to go with an energetic voice. Let me show you a method to make your voice more realistic. Once you add your script and select the AI voice you want, make sure to select this 11v3 model. With this model, you can create a natural and 99% realistic AI voice for your script, but make sure to add exclamation marks, commas, and emphasize the text. Then you can easily make a super realistic AI voiceover. I'm not going to talk much about this process because it's not a big deal. The main issue that I faced was making the visuals for our video. After trying several methods, I was able to make a perfect video. Before I show you how I did that, check this example video I created.
Everyone thinks T-Rex was the most dangerous predator ever. Meet Spinosaurus. Longer than T-Rex, heavier, and built like a living weapon. With a crocodile-like skull and bone-crushing jaws, it hunted on land and in water. Then there's Giganotosaurus. Even if this name sounds like a meme, this one was faster, more aggressive, and likely hunted in packs. And don't forget Carcharodontosaurus, named after the great white shark for a reason. If these predators ever faced T-Rex, he wouldn't be the hunter, he'd be the prey.
I want to know your opinion on this. What do you think about it? Give me a number out of 10. I really want your feedback. Here's what I did. First, I need to get this unique 3D look, just like it's made with Blender. And finally, I created a prompt for that. What you need to do is go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt, and then simply ask it to refer to this prompt when creating the prompts for the given scenes. Then we need to enter the scenes we want. In our video script, the first scene goes like this. Insects once ruled the sky, and they were huge. For this part, I'm gonna make a scene where huge dragonflies are flying over a lake. So I'm gonna enter this into the chat. Huge, gigantic dragonflies flying around a lake in the prehistoric age. They are very big than usual. Background is blue. And as soon as I hit the enter, I'm gonna get this detailed prompt. Now you can use any AI video generator to generate these scenes. My favorite is aivideo.com. With this AI, you can get access to all the latest AI video models. I will leave the link in the description with some promo codes. Once you sign up, you need to go to this Create New option and select the AI Editor option. Okay, this is where I'm gonna generate all the videos. First, I'm gonna make the images, and then I'm gonna convert them into videos. So let's go with this image option, and let's set the aspect ratio to vertical, and we just need to select a latest AI model to generate a better image. Let's go with Nano Banana because it's the best one so far. And let's paste the prompt we created, and that's it. Okay, this image looks good to me, and now I'm gonna select this image to video feature, and we can add this image here by dragging it like this. And I'm just gonna type, dragonflies are flying around. And we have all the latest AI video models. Even Kling 3 is available here. I wanna go with Kling 3, but I don't have a lot of credits. So let's go with Kling 2.5. Then let's set the duration to 5 seconds, and we are good to go. Okay, this is the video I got. It's good. Now, let's make the second scene. I'm gonna go back to ChatGPT and type a big prehistoric ant, solid blue background. That's how easy it is to make a detailed prompt with this method I showed you. Now we just need to copy this prompt. Process is the same as before. I'm gonna generate the image first, then convert it into a video. All I have to do is repeat this process and generate all the scenes necessary. Okay, this second scene is perfect. It looks like it was created using Blender. This is so good. Okay, I spent several minutes and generated all the scenes. And let's download all the clips. I'm gonna use CapCut to create the final output. So I started a new project on CapCut and imported all the video clips and voice files. I'm gonna click this Modify button, and let's set the aspect ratio to 9:16. First, I'm gonna add the voice to the timeline. Then we just need to add the video clips in the correct places to match the video script. This process is gonna take around 2 minutes. After that, it would be better if we add some transitions in between these clips. I like these glitch transitions, so let's add some free transitions. Then I generated auto captions by going into this text feature, and I used some cool text animations for that as well. We are not done yet. We need to add one more thing: sound effects. Sound effects is the most important feature that's gonna make your video more alive. You can use a website like Pixabay to download sound effects for free, or Epidemic Sounds is the one I'm using, but it's not free. Make sure to add suitable sound effects, such as screams, growlings, and footsteps. It's gonna make your video more alive. After that, my video is completed. All I gotta do is upload this to my channel.
Insects once ruled the sky, and they were huge. 300 million years ago, the air had way more oxygen. It was thick and heavy. That extra oxygen let insects grow massive. Dragonflies had wingspans over 2 feet wide. Some looked like flying eagles. Giant millipedes grew longer than a couch. They moved through swampy forests like armored trains. The ground was always crawling. This was long before dinosaurs. The real giants had 6 legs. Imagine looking up and hearing wings that loud.
After uploading that video, I got 1,500 views and 1 subscriber within just 9 hours. That's not bad. The average percentage viewed is 106%, which is really good. I strongly believe that this video is gonna make at least 100,000 views a month. And if you think these are fake views, let me show you the analytics. And here, let's check the reach. As you can see here, 96% of the views are coming from short feed. So I think this method is working. I'm gonna upload videos every day, and let's see the results in a month. So, till then, I wish you the best of luck. I will see you guys in a month with the second part of this video.